Hi guys, Alex from Luxx team. Today I'm going to be showing you how I apply Luxx Lashcara Pro Kit, which is our natural eyelashes that can last up to 10 days. If you're like me, having to put on false lashes every day can be quite a hard work. This can replace just that. Let's see how it works. It comes in a set like this. You see the lashes are divided into clusters, and we have 3 styles: Iris, Ivy, and Ines. So in the package here we have the applicator, we have the bond, which is used to prime your natural lashes for the fake ones. Then we have the sealant, which is used to lock in your lashes and is what makes it last for up to 10 days. And then we have the cleansing oil, which is used to remove the lashes afterwards. And unlike other lash extensions, these don't damage your lashes. And today I will be using the most natural one that we have, which is Ivy right here. Now we'll go ahead and get started. First things first, I'll apply bond on my lashes. It's very similar to applying mascara, but with this, you don't have to put on a lot. Just a light coat is enough. So just tap it on like this. Then I'll take the applicator and pick up one wisp. Starting from the corner of my eye, I'm going to gently place it right underneath my natural eyelashes, slightly away from my waterline. Then, one by one, repeat the same step. Make sure that the wisps are close together for a seamless look. I'll then take the applicator, or you can also use your fingers, to press the lashes a bit. This will help them mold more securely and blend in naturally. Now that one eye is done, you can see how beautiful it is. It is so easy, and you can definitely see the difference. I'm gonna go do the other one and I'll be right back. For the next step, I'm going to be using the sealant to seal my lashes so that they can stay on for as long as they could. I'm going to put a thin coat right under the wisps, which will also get rid of any sticky residue that's left. The sealant is rich in vitamins, so it is suitable to reuse every day. And there we have it, guys, lashes that will stay on for days. It saves me so much time and I love them so much. And although they hold, they're easily removed any day. Let me show you how to do that. To remove the lashes, guys, you will take the cleansing oil and put a thin coat right under the lashes. Then wait for about 10 to 20 seconds and you just remove them like so and store them back in the case. You can use them for up to 4 times. For anyone who has tried this kit out, or if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. I will be answering them with the help of Luxx team. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find it helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!